bring attention to the expansion on the inhale, a relaxation on the exhale. Just notice what it's like to pay attention to the breath as it fills your lungs and diaphragm, expanding your chest and rib cage and your belly. Notice if there's tension. Just allow that without judgment, just noticing. Notice the sensations of being breathed. You don't have to force it, or earn it, or deserve it. Just notice that you are being breathed. Meditation practice is the practice of paying attention to what is without judgment. So what is in this moment could be a thought or a stream of thoughts. It could be a sensation in the body, like feeling your back against the chair, or feeling your feet against the floor. It could also be a feeling, maybe an emotional tone of peace or anxiety, sadness, or contentment. And it doesn't really matter what you're noticing, the thoughts, the feelings, the sensations. What matters is your ability to just notice it without judgment. Your ability to recognize thought, feeling, and sensation as content, and make contact with something greater. Sense of beingness, awareness, consciousness. The great space where the content arises and is kindly witnessed. So for the next few minutes, we're going to practice this meditation, and you can use the breath as an anchor. So each time your mind wanders, which it inevitably will do, just notice what has called your mind's attention, and then gently bring focus back to the sensation of breathing. The feeling of the breath filling your lungs and diaphragm. The feeling of expansion on the inhale and relaxation on the exhale.